Hey gang, something's going on up there by the school bus area. At least it sounds like. It sounds like some kind of a monster fight or something. I just came up here to charge my phones up, and I've been hearing this noise since I got here. Maybe they're having drag races or something. I don't know. All right, whoever won, won. Come on. Maybe they're just crunching up old buses. I don't know. I don't even want to know what's going on over there. I'm just gonna sit here, record this for about another minute or so, and it was a nice day to get out. Well, it wasn't really a nice day to get out here. I mean, it rained earlier, and it's supposed to be a snow rain mix, but it looks like that didn't happen. Mostly rain. Well, we'll never know the mystery of this weird noise, this loud, annoying noise. But I'm gonna go try and get this uploaded as soon as I can, gang. So, whatever you think it is, leave it in the comments below. Be as creative as you want to. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless you all. Hope you're having an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my videos, please feel free to subscribe. If you would, please go check out, subscribe to if you like the following channels: Reno Vega, Reno Wheat, Grease Monkey 2.0, Rebel Rocker, Lil B Fitness, Coulterna Crew, Varina Price, Tyler 2071, and Amber's Syst. I swear if that's Godzilla, I'm going to totally freak out because I'm going to want an autograph. Take care of yourselves. Try to be good to yourself, try to be good to others. Till we do this again, as always, stay strong and rock on.